So we are on our way to Henrhyd Falls, which is in South Wales near Pen y Fan. But you can take a walking route there as well, which is fun. So yeah, we're on the way. I think it'll be fun. That goes back to the car park, which we don't want to go to. This one says waterfall. So here we are at the waterfall. I don't know if you can hear me because it's quite loud, but you can feel the breeze and the spray coming off it. Yeah, and I think this is the first of 3, so we've got to follow the rest of the route to get to the other 2. It's like it's raining all of a sudden. We're going to try and go behind the waterfall. And you can really feel the spray here.
It's quite wet.
The sign to the waterfall is simply that way, and then you take the Abercraft route back down there, which should take us back to the other waterfalls, although I'm going to double check the website, and if you don't see another piece of camera, then clearly I've just told you the right information. I feel like a pirate on this boardwalk, man, I'm not going to lie. I think this is the waterfall, which is obviously a lot smaller than the one that's all the way up there, because obviously that is the highest in South Wales. This one is not. So there's the waterfall behind me, as you can see. Yeah, it's great. I'm taking off my hoodie because it's quite warm now in the walk. It's not the best weather, but yeah, I feel a bit body heat. So we're almost at the end now of our National Trust route, and we walk through the gate and head towards the watermills. And I'm not sure entirely if we're going to see another waterfall, but hopefully we do. This is our Dishes watermill. Should we get a little bit closer? So yeah, I would definitely recommend coming to do this because it's great to see the waterfalls, and especially the highest one in South Wales.